To sell covered puts on Robinhood, you first need to understand what a covered put is. A covered put, also known as a cash-secured put, is a type of options trading strategy where you sell a put option to a buyer and receive the premium. To start, open your Robinhood app and navigate to the stock you want to sell puts on. Ensure you have sufficient cash in your account to cover the potential purchase of the stock if the put option is exercised. Next, click on the Trade button and select the Options tab. Choose the Sell Put option and select the number of contracts you want to sell. Typically, one contract represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Then, choose the strike price and expiration date for the put option. The strike price is the price at which the buyer of the put option can sell the stock. And the expiration date is the last day the option can be exercised. When selecting the strike price and expiration date, consider your risk tolerance and market expectations. If you believe the stock price will remain above the strike price, you can sell a put option with a higher strike price to receive a higher premium. After selecting the strike price and expiration date, you will see the premium you will receive for selling the put option. This premium is your potential profit if the option expires worthless. Before confirming the trade, review the terms and conditions, including the potential risks and rewards. If the put option is exercised, you will be required to buy the stock at the strike price. So ensure you have sufficient cash in your account to cover the purchase. To manage your risk, consider allocating a small portion of your portfolio to selling covered puts and regularly monitoring your positions. You can also close the position before expiration by buying back the put option to limit potential losses. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can effectively sell covered puts on Robinhood and potentially generate income from premiums. Always prioritize risk management and thorough research before making any investment decisions.